Let me show you how to connect your GT3 drone with a phone app, so you can maybe take pictures, record videos, or even control it, the drone as well. So yep, we can either control the drone using our remote or also the phone, which is absolutely amazing. And to do it, we have to download this app called Wi-Fi UAV. So it's available on the Play Store and also Apple Store. Also, you see in this manual, you have the QR codes that maybe you can scan. So if you need the QR code, simply point your phone at these, and yeah, it should pull that up. So, and once you download this app, so before you actually open, make sure to turn on your drone. So you have this button over here. So, and make sure it's in this pairing mode, so it flashes like this. And then let's open up our app over here. So, and then we have to click over here. So this drone actually creates its own Wi-Fi network that we have to connect to. So let's click over here and it will bring us to the internet settings. So this is what the drone actually created. So it will most likely also for you start with this flow. So let's click that and connect. So it will say, okay, so connected, no internet access. So again, this is what you should see. Then we can go back over here and click start over here. And then you see, yeah, basically the drone actually works already and you can like record video. So if you want to record a video, as you see, you have this button over here and you see the video actually starts recording. If you want to end the video, again, press this. And also, as you see, you can also use this button to take a picture as well. And if you want to see the result after that, you can click this over here. And then you have your pictures and also your videos here as well. So, and also if you want to control it basically using the phone app instead of the controller, again, make sure it's in this flashing mode. So, and press this airplane mode. So as you see, and once I press the airplane, as you see it blinked, and yeah, basically it's now like solid, like as you see. Very solid. And then we can essentially control it. So you see, you can use this button over here to take off your drone, also land it. Also you see, I can also start up my engine the like regular way, and also like, yeah, basically take off as well. And yeah, basically the controls pretty much work almost the same as on this one. Maybe we do not have the trick button, so, but like the regular controls again are really all the same basically. That's absolutely cool. By the way, when it comes to controls, again, we can only use one controls at the same time. So either phone connection controls, so these controls, or also remote control. So, and if you want to switch the controls, you actually simply have to turn off your drone and reconnect it again to either the remote or the phone. So, and the way we connect it to the remote, again, literally turn it on. And then on your remote, make sure to flip this so to turn it on, and then press this up. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, so up and down. So you see it connected basically and it's stable, and we can use remote as well. By the way, if you want to get this drone, I'll leave a special discount link that you can use on AliExpress to get this only for a bit over $10. So again, this is actually what I paid for mine, and that also is with free shipping obviously as well. So again, absolutely insane price for what you get. And yeah, out of all the cheap drones, I think really this is the best out there. So again, I have tried a few basically of these very cheap drones. Again, this is like 10 times better than pretty much like most other cheap drones. So yeah, absolutely amazing. Anyway, good luck.